Good morning, guys. I hope it doesn't rain today. It's like a little overcast, but on my way to work and just wanted to get some grub real quick because I didn't have time to eat this morning. Guys, so before work, just wanted to get a little something. Got some french fries. One little mukbang. It's so good. And the french fries are fresh from McDonald's. That's everything. Let's pose for a thumbnail. It's so peaceful. It's actually nice, guys. The weather has been really poopy where I live. Lots of rain and slush and snow. Finally getting nice again for a little bit. Go take advantage and enjoy. It's so good. Love a good McDonald's french fry. It's so beautiful out today, guys. Some little birds down there. The weather's just so peaceful. When I give one bird, guys, I get this one bird some french fries and look. Everyone's all over me right now, wanting my food. You come in here to get a couple things, guys, but you fill up the whole shopping cart. I hate these carts. I wish they had little baskets because this always happens with me. There's too much stuff to get. You gonna touch a scorpion?
Touch. Ew. 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 It's slimy.
It's slimy?
It's slimy.
Let's see how it feels, guys. Hi, guys. Little In-N-Out mukbang. Time. Some soda. One of my favorite parts are these animal style fries. They're so good. Look at them. I need to put some ketchup in here too.
What's that orange stuff on
It's
top of it?
cheese.
Oh.
It just makes everything so much better. I love In-N-Out, guys. It's so good. Not sponsored, but hey, wanna hit me up? Little ketchup. It's so good. Oh, they didn't cut mine in half either. They must have been too busy. Let's see. That's good, just a little cold. I love In-N-Out, guys. They're so good. What's your favorite fast food place?
In-N-Out.
If they didn't have animal style fries, I don't know what I would do. I need seasoned fries somewhere. And the In-N-Out grilled cheese. That's so good. I'm gonna continue on eating, guys. I hope you're having a great day. It's so yummy. Yes. Going up the escalator, guys. Haven't been on one of these in so long. City life. Officially spring in Michael's, guys. Look at all the colors. Ooh, this is almost like lavender. So beautiful. It's like springtime in Michael's, guys. I found some t-shirts for $2 each, killer bargain, and just taking a little look around. Just made it to Starbucks, guys. Got the strawberry frap. It's good. Yum. So this is some stuff I got yesterday, guys. Some spacer beads. These are like the evil eye ones. And then some citrine chipstones. So some good cleansing energy inside of my products that I'm gonna make. And then some amethyst beads. And then I got these little vials to sell my little potions / essential oils in for my Etsy store. And then I got my little book of shadows over here. And I thought this pen would be like awesome for my book. All nice and bougie and fancy and something a high priestess should definitely have. And yeah, I got those. And then Michael's had a really good sale on t-shirts that day. For some reason they were like $2, so I got me this one in blue, and then I got me a white t-shirt too. Add to my little wardrobe of undershirts. Look at the little groundhog, guys. I've never seen one before. That's so funny. First for everything. It's so beautiful out today. Say hi, guys. Two little duckies. They want some french fries. They're so cute. And hi. Blessed be. I talk so much S about these shoes, and what am I doing? Trying this chunky sneaker on. I don't know which ones to get. These ones look way more cooler, the red and black ones. They look more badass. Look how cute, guys. Can you see them? The little baby ducks with the mom. Little baby ducks. It's kind of dark though, you can't really see. Hey guys, just photo shooting some minerals for my work, and look at this cool piece. It's so magical. Looks like a pink Wonderland cotton candy. Ariana Grande vibes. It's just so cool. And yeah, just got some fun pictures of this. It's such a beautiful day out. And yeah, just doing my thing. Here's a little close-up, guys. Look how beautiful it looks against these flowers. It's so magical. Little close-up shot for you. And this piece, guys, this amethyst is so cool. Can you see? There's like a ring of citrine all around it. And it's like the highest grade of amethyst. It's kind of hard to see because it's so bright going this way, but I'll flip the camera around. This piece is so cool. I love it. So you guys can see around here, there's like this ring of like yellow. That's all citrine with amethyst. So it's like clear cleansing vibes. Awesome kick butt high priestess tool right here. This piece is so cool. And through here's like a window. And you can just like gaze through it, scry. It's an amazing piece. There's too many cool stuff that I'm photographing today, guys, but this is another piece right here. Look how magical. It's like a bonsai tree with citrine crystal and amethyst at the bottom. Just all the good vibes and balance, and I just love this piece. It looks so magical. So the tree's pretty cool, right, guys? But then look at this piece right here. It's so nice. This like triple 8 grade amethyst, grape jelly heart, all the good vibes in here. It's just so nice. Can you see it over there? It's so beautiful. And then with the tree, I'm like, this is a set. I need this in my life. But it's so beautiful. Look at all the citrine, the amethyst. It's amazing. And this is a piece of ocean jasper, guys. Look how nice it looks. It looks so magical. It's crazy because it's so thin. I'm so scared to break it, but this piece is so pretty. Look at it with the lake. All the magical mermaid vibes with this one. Channel that element of water. Here's another piece of that ocean jasper, guys. Look how nice it looks. This is a bigger piece. It's scary because of how thin. It's like paper thin, but this is neat. You could like charge your jewelry on there. It's just a really neat piece of crystal, this mineral. Pretty cool. It's so cold. I lied earlier and said, oh, it was really nice out. It was for a second. And then it's just really cold. It snowed and we're in the middle of May, or the end of May going to June. So it's like supposed to be spring, summer, but you know, it's really cold right now. See how overcast it is, guys? It's like supposed to be summer, springtime, but it's really cold and the storm's like going away, I hope. Go away, snow. Shooting another cool piece right now, guys. It's like that other pink one I showed you earlier, but it's a little bit different with more crystal points in there. It looks pretty cool. It's like the first one, but it's more got those crystal like clear quartz points in there. And yeah, it looks pretty neat. I just love the energy of it. It just looks so like nice. I know this is more for like your lower chakras, but I just feel like it would be a good one for your heart chakra. Just so magical. And it looks like there's blue lace agate. It's kind of washed out in the sunlight, but like blue lace agate around with like this beautiful pink mineral. I just love it. Hi guys, so I just went out and bought some things, so I'm gonna do a little practical hauls for the pets. I got my sister's guinea pig some of this bedding. I got myself some donuts, and my sister a cinnamon roll. It's a huge one. It looks so good, but these are the donuts. Donut holes don't really taste the best, not the freshest, sadly, But I got that, and I got a bunch of this bird food, get some of that good karma, you know, so feed the wildlife. And then I got Chelsea, my sister's guinea pig, some food, so we got some guinea pig food. So this is basically a haul for the animals, all the pets of the family. And then I got my cat Maleficent a new toy, one of these. I wanted to go to Dollar Tree and get her one, but you know, I don't live by one, so gotta just get the one that's a couple bucks more. So got her little cat toy. Always reminds me of Coraline with the little mouse and the cat stuff. So got her that. Got my little dog some little treats, some bougie treats that are like flavorful. And then for my sister's pet, again, some of these little chew things so her teeth can do their thing, be all secure and whatever. And then I got my dog little ball. And then I got my cat another little thing where you can pull this off and it chirps. So got her little toy. We'll see how she likes that. So pretty much that's the haul, guys. I hope you enjoyed the little pet haul. And yeah. Do you like your new toy, Maisie? Go get it. Ooh, she loves it. It's so cute. Maisie. Maisie, treat. Maisie. Maisie, here, you want a treat? You want some treat? She's always so picky. Oh, okay, there we go. Now you're eating the treat. Hi, Maisie. Here's another treat, Maisie. Oh, I'm happy she likes her treats. You're so cute. Okay. Go get it. Looks like one pet down that loves their presents. Hi, Maleficent. Do you like your new toy? Ooh, she loves it. She loves these. Do you like this one? Ooh. You like that, huh? That sells ladies right. You cats love that, huh?
Touch it.
I should have brought the Temptations treats up, too.
Where are they? I'll go get it.
Go get it.
Maisie ran for hers, but she's just walking to it.
She's not a dog. Oh, whoa, she loves that. You love the toy, Maleficent? Ooh.
Yes.
She loves it. Oh, I'm happy when my pets are happy. They deserved a little bit of some new toys, some food, you know. Just the pet thing. You're so cute. Just had to take some time for her to warm up to it. And sorry, guys, the messy shoes in the corner. I'm trying not to record, but... Ooh. She just had to warm up to her toy. She loves it. Just doesn't want to be on the YouTube, though. She's like, I am not you. I do not want to be on camera. Maleficent. She loves it. She's so cute. Oh, hi, Chelsea. You're so cute. Do you like the compressed hay? So, this is like her food. Ooh, she's chewing it. And I got you more stuff down there. Do you want to see your new stuff?
Or not. Look. I think that's a puzzle.
Oh, she's so cute.
I don't think she likes it.
She probably has to warm up to it, huh? Like the other pets. Or at least the cat.
Amazing one for her really quick. Look.
She wants to get it inside. She's like, I'm gonna go in there and get it myself.
Got little things too.
Pets are so cute. I'm happy I got them a little something. So now they
These shoes, by the way.
got a little bit of some necessities, but it's like not bougie, you know. Could you imagine if like name brand people like Chanel, Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Givenchy made like pet stuff? That'd be so funny. It's like, here's some pet
Guys,
food.
look.
Here's some Louis Vuitton.
It's like a little puzzle.
Little cute Louis Vuitton chair. Cool. She kind of likes the sticks, huh? She's so cute.
She's playing.
Hi, Chelsea. She's so curious. So cute. If you don't like pets, this is not the vlog for you. Now that we got to this part of the vlog. Oh, she's so cute. Love you, Chelsea. And that is Maisie barking at my cat. If you guys enjoyed this vlog with all these random clips, of course, until next time, by earth, by air, by fire, by water, by spirit, and Goddess... I just scratched myself. And Goddess Nyx's holy light, may you be blessed and rejuvenated. Can't scratch off the makeup. And yeah, until next time, I'll see you guys then. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications down below.